In this video, I will show you how to create your own sticker pack on Telegram. First, prepare PNG images with a frame size of 512 by 512 pixels. Next, open the Telegram app on your device, then search for its sticker.t. Select Start to continue. The bot will display commands to create and customize stickers. To create a new sticker pack, type New Pack. Then, name your sticker pack. Here, I will name it How to Sticker. After that, upload the prepared PNG sticker file. Next, choose an emoji for your sticker. Repeat these steps to add more stickers. When you're done, type per publish to publish the pack. The bot will then ask for an icon file for the sticker pack. Choose a prepared 100 by 100 PNG file, or you can skip this step. Finally, set a short name to attach to the sticker pack's link. This link allows you to share your sticker pack with others. Once you send the name, you'll receive a link to your newly created sticker pack. Thank you for watching until the end of the video. If you found today's guide helpful, don't forget to hit like to support the channel, and subscribe so you don't miss out on our latest and most exciting videos. If you have any questions related to today's content, feel free to leave a comment below, or send us an email at contact.dailyhowto@gmail.com. Thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next video.